Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how I achieved this look, and if you too want to achieve this look, then stay tuned so you can see how I did it. Okay, so we gonna get straight into it. So this video is sponsored by Alipearl. Inside of the box, it was just their silk bag with some lashes, but let's get into the part you guys want to see the most, which is the wig. This is what the wig looks like, y'all. Okay, so let me give you the details about this wig. It's a 6x6 closure wig. It has 3 combs on the inside and an adjustable strap, and look at all that space. And the wig came pre-bleached, pre-plucked, and ready to pretty much wear. The wig took about a week to arrive, so the delivery was really fast. It didn't have a smell when I opened the box. The only adjustment I had to make was that I had to go back in and bleach the knots so that it will match my color better. When I tell y'all, this is one of the best glueless wigs I've ever had. It's one of the best glueless wigs I've ever had. All I usually do is curl the wig like you see. The wig is already curled by me, but it did come already curled. And all I do is prop that wig on my head and I adjust the wig to my liking, where I want it to sit, if it's tight enough, and then that's it. So I'm showing you guys how the wig looks like up close. I did want to fix the lace a little bit because it was sticking up a little bit. So all I usually do is put some mousse on, and this mousse that I just showed you guys is my favorite mousse to use for glueless wigs because the mousse will not leave your hair feeling hard and crunchy, and the wig will melt. So as I was filming this video, it had been 3 months that I had the wig, but as I'm doing this voiceover, it's been 4 months and it's still in the same condition. So in the video, I'm gonna say 3 months when I'm describing the quality, but it's been 4 months. So as you can see, I'm just continuing with making sure my baby hairs are laid. And then when I'm done with laying my baby hairs, I take a little bit more mousse and add it to wherever I really want to melt. And it's completely glueless. I don't put any glue, just that mousse. And then when I'm done, I put my band on my head and I just let it sit for like 20-30 minutes while I'm doing other things to style my hair. So I wanted to get the hair to be a little bit more flat, so I got a hot comb and I'm just flattening the top. And then I do also go back in and like curl any pieces that are loose, like any hair that's loose. And that is literally my routine. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just curling the pieces of hair that needs to be curled. And while my headband is on, I'm doing that, and then when I'm done, that's it. So I used to always see videos where the girlies would be like, oh, like this is a glueless wig, you know, I don't have to put any glue on my hair. And I'm like, how are they achieving that melted look without any glue? Because I felt like I always still needed to add gel or a little bit of glue, you know, so it will really look melted. And I finally figured the trick. It's the adjustable strap that the wig comes with. When you adjust it to fit your head perfectly, it's gonna get you 70% to where you need to be to make it look glueless. And then the mousse. When you put that mousse on that lace and you put that band on, your wig will look like you put glue underneath it. And that is it. That is the secret to making sure your glueless wig looks melted and natural and beautiful. So yeah, I'm gonna tell you guys a few things about the wig, even though in the end of the video I'm gonna get into it, but the wig is really soft and I'm combing through it and I'm really not having any tangles, any frizzies. It didn't have a smell when it came in the box, and I really am obsessed with this hair, and it's true to length. So the length I believe was 24 inches, and it really is a 24-inch wig. They did not try to play me and send me a wig that was shorter than what they said they were gonna send. Like I said, I've had this wig for 4 months now and I have no complaints. I wear this wig to go out, I wear this wig to do a lot of things, and it is still in good condition. So now I'm gonna take the band off and look at that melt, y'all. Look at that melt. Okay, that is the secret. And I didn't even use makeup. I could have used makeup to like really blend it extra, but I didn't even use makeup, and you really don't have to use makeup when you do this method. And look at that up close. Yeah, no glue. If you don't believe me, I'm gonna do the rat tail comb test so you can see that this wig don't have no glue. Look at that. Yep. Okay guys, this is the final look of how my hair came out. This is called a Weargo wig, and it was a completely easy install. And when I tell you, I literally just wear this wig and go. I just wear this wig and go. Stress-free, no glue. My natural hair can rest while I'm wearing a wig like this. I don't have to put a bunch of makeup on it to make it blend. All I need is mousse, and that's it. And it is that simple. The only thing that I really have to put effort in is when I'm curling my hair with my curling iron, which if you have like a big barrel curling iron like this, it's easier to just grab bigger pieces of hair, curl your hair up, and then get your hot iron or your hot comb and just get the top of your hair so it lays flat. And that is it. Like, I don't put any products, I don't put any hairsprays, I don't put any shining oils or anything. And I've had this wig for 3 whole months and it still looks this good. For the length of this wig, it's 24 inches. My height is 5'4", so for me, the wig stops like right here to my hip area. But I did cut the hair a little bit so I can kind of give it some light layers. I don't have any major layers in it, but I still wanted like my length, of course. So I did layer it a little bit, but it wasn't like major cuts. Like I literally snipped it a little bit, but 24 inches. This is HD lace. It is body wave texture, and it is a 6x6 closure. Also, the knots came bleached, but I did go back in and I bleached the knots a little bit so it can match my color a little bit more. Other than that, like everything else, I left it alone. Like I did not pluck the wig any more than what it's been plucked. I didn't snip and do anything. Like this wig has been looking like this since it came. I do think this is 100% like beginner friendly. Like if you are a beginner, you don't know how to put wigs on, you don't know how to pluck the wig, you don't know how to bleach the knots, this is the perfect wig for you. And you can customize it the way you want with the baby hairs. I do believe they had cuts of baby hairs off of it, but I kind of just customized it a little bit and just moved the baby hairs here because I think they were like right here. And I just moved it there. Another problem that I always have with the wigs is that my head is kind of small, and every time I put the wigs on, they're always like big on my head. But the adjustable strap that it comes with, if you like adjust it a little bit, it will fit like a glove. Like this is so snug on my head. I don't want to move it around too much because when you lay with that mousse, you don't want to move it around, you know, because you know, you gotta keep the wig looking good. This is by far like top tier, chef's kiss, one of my favorite wigs. If you do have any questions about this wig, comment below in the comment section. Yeah, I mean, look at the shine, look at this body, hunty. So pretty. And like, yes, it is completely glueless. Like, I'm not playing you. It is completely glueless. The only thing I put on there is mousse. And I always used to look at those glueless wig videos and I'm like, how did they get a glueless? Like, I always need glue. No, you really don't need glue with this one. It really comes like this. If there's anything else you want to know about this wig, please comment below. I will answer your questions. If you do want to order this wig, it will be in the link below. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye guys.